Hello guys, I got a lot of scars. Welcome back to my new video guys. Now let me show you an interesting item. I built this out of scar materials guys. Did you like it? Next I'm going to show you another idea guys. This is an old broken helicopter toy guys. Hey, what do you think about this? Do you guys like it? Wow, look at this another item guys. Let's check this out guys. Wow, there is a DC motor inside this. Let's see if this works. Oh my god guys, this is working perfectly. Wow, look guys, this is a Bluetooth speaker. Oh my god guys, I can't open this. Oh thank god, it's not broken. Let's test this with another battery guys. Wow, it's working guys. Hello. And now let's try to connect to the Bluetooth. Hey, I hit the jackpot. This is working awesome. Now let me show you another idea using this guys. How is this idea guys? How is this solar fan guys? I built this out of scrap materials. Wow, look, a tiny toy car. Wow, super. Oh no guys, it's a Bluetooth speaker, but it's totally broken. Oh, there is a lot of more stuff to check out guys. Hey, a mini Bluetooth speaker. Wow, what is this? Guys, this is a different kind of Torchlight. Oh, this is totally broken guys. Anyway, let's try connecting the battery to it. Amazing! Its LED is working! Hey, guys, did you like it? And next, let's check out the small Bluetooth speaker, guys. Wow, great! This Bluetooth speaker is also working, guys! Wow, what a great sound, guys! Oh my god, guys! Look here, a robot! Wow, amazing! Oh no, all the circuits here are damaged, guys. But wait, I have an idea with this, guys. So guys, using this, let's build an automatic self-fan. What do you think of this idea guys? Let me know in the comments if you liked it. Wow, look at this big sound amplifier. Wow, this amplifier is turning on. Next, let me show you an idea using this motor guys. How does this fan look guys? Built purely from a scrap motor. That's all for today guys. I'll catch you in the next video with more awesome stuff. Goodbye.